Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to change Google Assistant speaking language on Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you found this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and head over to setting on your Android phone. So I'm going to click on here to open my settings. Then after you open up settings, next thing you need to do is scroll down, and make sure you head over to Google. Click on Google right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on All Services. Then it's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here, and make sure you click on Search, Assistant, and Voice. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. What you want to do here is to scroll down and make sure you head over to Google Assistant. Click on that. Then from the point here, scroll down right here and so head over to Language for speaking to your assistant. Click on here. Then here you can choose a dedicated language for your speaking assistant on your Android phone. So click on the default language right here. Here you have so many other countries' language. You can scroll down right there. So as at the time of making this video, these are available languages that you can speak with your Google Assistant on your Android phone. In the nearest future, Google may add more speaking language to it. What you want to do right here is to make sure you choose a language that you would like to be speaking to your Google Assistant. This is favorably for people that do not speak English or do not understand English. So you can choose any language right here. Once you choose any language right here, then you have to make sure you accept it. Once you accept the language, then the language can now be used to communicate with your Google AI Assistant. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Assistant, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.